Yo, what up? All right, check it out. They got these 3 cups. There's one thing under one of these cups. I have these dice, this one dice. So 2 out of 3, even or odd, you call it, and you get to pick. Now, if you make it past this, then you get to win whatever's in this envelope. 1, 2, or 3. You down?
Yeah.
All right, so even or odd?
I would say even. Yeah.
It's a 6, that's even. All right, even or odd?
Even. Yeah.
It's odd. One more, even or odd?
You go. I would say even.
It's even. We're moving on to the next tier. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, so under one of these cups is a little glass duck. Which cup do you think that would be?
The one in the middle.
Middle?
Yeah.
Oh, snap. All right, what do you choose? 1, 2, or 3?
I would pick number 3. Yeah.
Number 3?
Yeah.
Oh, snap. This is a good one.